welcome back to my channel.
We've been on a tragedy for once. Why can't you agree with me for once? Maybe we can be on chill tonight. Maybe I can give you chill.
For today's video, I'm going to be doing my birthday makeup look. My birthday is gone 2 days now. Yes, October 9. I know I told you guys in the last video, but I'm telling you again. So for today's look, I'm not sure. Okay, I know the colors I want to use, but I don't know where I want to put them. I already did my brows. If you guys want a brow tutorial, one is linked down below. And I use my P. Louise base in the shade 05 to prime my eyelids. I think I want to start with the purple. So I'm going to take my Zulu by Juvia's palette, and I'm going to take the purple shade, and I'm going to blend that into my crease. Okay, now that I got the purple down, I'm gonna take the pink shade and I'm just gonna use this to blend out the edges of the purple. So everyone was asking me, where did you go for your birthday? What did you do? I didn't go anywhere, but I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful I live to see another year. And yeah. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it. I'm gonna do a cut crease now. I hope this look turns out good. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to hold the mirror so I can, yeah, get it good, guys. Girl. The wind is moving mad crazy today, guys, so if it's affecting the video, I am very sorry. So I did my cut crease and I'm going into the Masquerade palette, the Masquerade mini palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take the color called Bori and place that onto my eyelid. Them nails are not move. Are real handicap, I swear to God. Okay, I like how that looks. Then I'm going to take the blue shade in the same palette called Dahlia and place it beside the pink. Okay, and I'm gonna blend it outwards to meet the purple. Okay, so far this is what we have working with. I'm gonna take my glitter primer and I'm going to just put that on here so that I can press some glitter on. And I'm taking this chunky glitter and I'm going to press that onto my eyelid. I'm gonna do a wing liner. Okay guys, I'm finished with one eye and I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, so I had to switch over to a voiceover because my surrounding was getting really noisy and I didn't want this to be a distraction in the video. So, you know, just gotta do what I gotta do. I'm now priming my face using my Sacha Mattifier face primer. Now I'm applying my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut. Now I am highlighting with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Tan Healer. So if you guys are wondering why my lighting is fluctuating, it's because I'm using natural lighting. So sometimes it gets warmer, sometimes it gets cooler, and yeah, so this is the struggle of using natural lighting to do a video. So I'm gonna name this tutorial Lucky Charm feature the fly. Are you guys seeing this fly all up in my video? Like, I'm just up in my video. Now I'm just gonna use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set all my highlighted areas, and I'm just gonna press that into my skin. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't bake. I stopped baking a long time ago, and this is just how I do my makeup now, by pressing it into my skin. Gonna take my MAC blush in the shade Burnt Pepper, and I'm just gonna apply that to my fatty fat cheeks. Gonna set down everything now with my Mario Badescu cucumber water, and you guys know the norm. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just sink all the products into my face so I have a more seamless look. Like, this method, this technique really helped guys a lot. I'm going back into the Masquerade mini palette, and I'm gonna use that gold shade at the bottom for my highlighter for this look. Now I'm just gonna apply a random gloss with a tint of pink in it, and this basically wraps up my entire video. If you guys enjoyed, which I really hope you did, don't forget to like and drop a comment. If you are new to my channel, it's the first time you're seeing me, hi, my name is Monique. How are you, baby girl? Press that subscribe button, hit the bell so you can get notified every time I have a new upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
You're too cute, and everything you do, I don't think I'll follow you. Your body healthy, so no I feel renew. Them claims say them I can't buy a cup of soup. Tell them one another man and I feel my girl in a crew. Black the girl Facebook, I say